Normalization is the simplest type of calibration offered. When you first receive the PHASCOPE paint, perform a normalization on the uncoated surface to check if the measured thickness is accurate. If the value is accurate, then no further calibration is required. If you would like to get a more accurate reading, use the calibration setting. When using the setting, the measurement system is adapted to the specimen's characteristics. At least one calibration foil is used, but for the best accuracy, 2 calibration foils, one above target value and one below, should be used for calibration. Each measurement is clearly displayed on the screen as you measure. When the measurement value is not within specification limits, a red light will be displayed instead of the usual green. A swipe to the right will display statistical information. Another swipe will display a histogram of the results. A picture of the sample can be taken if there is a recognizable difference. This will be included in the report. Finally, data can be easily exported as a CSV or PDF file. The Fischer PHASCOPE paint comes complete with a range of accessories to support your instrument. This includes an easy user guide, calibration bases, and foils. To find out how you can get the most out of your gauge, get in touch with us at www.helmut-fischer.com today. Thanks for watching!